It was a regular school day for John, a shy 9-year-old boy who loved comics and superheroes. While walking to school, he saw a few kids from his class bullying a younger student. John knew he had to do something. He walked up to the bullies and said in a firm, confident voice, "Leave him alone." The bullies turned around in surprise. John continued, "Everyone is awesome in their own way. Now stop bothering him." The bullies mumbled and walked away. The little boy smiled at John. "Thanks for saving me. You are awesome." International Day of Awesomeness on March 10th celebrates this spirit of empowerment and kindness. It started in 2015 when author Neil Pastel declared a day to celebrate awesomeness after struggling with depression and wanting to spread more positivity in the world. This special day reminds us that we are all awesome in our own way, and we should embrace it while also empowering others. The day is important because it fosters self-confidence and compassion. So many people struggle with self-doubt and negative self-talk, but this day urges us to focus on our strengths, skills, and inherent awesomeness. Recognizing the awesomeness in ourselves also helps us recognize it in others. We become kinder, more understanding, and more empowering towards people around us. This positivity and kindness are sorely needed in the world. On International Day of Awesomeness, people celebrate in various fun ways. Some dress up as their favorite superhero or character they find awesome. Others do random acts of kindness like giving compliments to strangers, volunteering at an animal shelter, picking up litter at the park, or helping a neighbor in need. People also share stories of human achievement and empowerment on social media using the hashtag International Day of Awesomeness. The goal is to make the world a little bit better, brighter, and awesome, one kind act at a time. John walked into school that day with more confidence than ever before. His small act of empowerment gave him a happiness that lasted for days. Every March 10th, he is reminded of how we can all make a difference by embracing our own awesomeness and spreading to others. Maybe you can be that person for someone today. How will you celebrate your awesomeness? March 10th is International Day of Awesomeness. Here is a painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Day of Awesomeness. Cheers!